Okay, so next PR package is in here. Just like moving around in there like there ain't tomorrow. So this is the Morphe. It says, hi Morphe babe, we're living for the multi-dimension metallics in our 35M, but wait, there's more. Our to die for duochrome and our 35V is only at Ulta and launches September 23rd. We hope you feel the same. Now play, slay, and show them who's the boss. The Morphe fam. And I love the new packaging with the Morphe. It just looks so much nicer. Just whoosh. This one is the 35V and this is Stunning Vibes. So it has the names on the sheet for those who want to know, like, okay, this color, that color, but here are the shades. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be swatching this way. So here is some of the swatches. Creamy, buttery, ooh, very, very pretty. Here are some more swatches. This color right here, ooh, I love it. It's a pretty poopy shade. I love it. More pretty, pretty, pretty shades. I love it. That's like fall vibes. Woo! The blues in this palette are beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at that purple. Swatch so pretty. But this one right here, that one is room for two. Ooh. And then here is the last row. You guys see that black? So pigmented. It's seriously like charcoal. Okay, here is the other one. This one is Boss Mood and this one is 35M. Here is this one. So pretty. I don't know why, but this just screams Halloween to me. Halloween, Halloween, like Halloween Town. Oh yeah. More beautiful colors. Look at that. And they're just so pretty. And here are the last three swatches. So again, the 35V is only at Ulta and launches the 23rd of this month. And the 35M launches the 18th. So stay tuned. Thank you so much to Morphe. Next is from It Cosmetics. I almost took out my eyeball. So the next thing is the Bye Bye Under Eye with expression proof technology. I like that they said that because I make a lot of face expressions. So this is the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. All day wear up to 24 hours. And it pairs perfectly with the It brushes for Ulta Airbrush Dual-Ended Flawless Complexion Multitasking Full Coverage brush. And the brush goes for $35. That's so awesome that they put the brush in here. So this is the concealers, but let me put it out. Freaking awesome. They sent me the full medium range, which is awesome. So this is the Airbrush Flawless Complexion brush. This side is for all over. And you have this side, which is the precision side. I like this. So the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer goes for $26. Ooh, that's like full coverage. So it says best-selling concealer, new 48 shades. Now the shades go pretty deep on the deeper tone side. So hopefully that happens with the whole range, the whole range. That will be awesome because 48 shades of concealer, then hopefully that means 48 shades of It CC cream, foundation, all of that. That would be awesome. So this one is medium golden, 22.0. So I think this is going to be the shade that I'm going to be playing with. It's like, ooh, right here. Ooh. So this one is 22.5 medium honey, warm. 25.0 medium natural, 25.5 medium bronze, 24.5 medium buff, 20.0 medium, 21.0 medium tan, 23.5 medium amber, 24.0 medium beige, 21.5 medium nude, 20.5 medium sand, and last but not least, this one is 23.0 medium warm. So a huge thank you to It Cosmetics. Thank you so much. Besos. I can't wait to apply it. I can't wait to try it out. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I have been wanting to do this swatching forever since I first received it. This is Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. You guys know I've been using the, where is it? I had it around here because I'm gonna use, this is in the shade Warm Beige. I've been using it so much, and Cocoa. Love it. So this is a new Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. It comes in 20 shades. 20 shades, okay? So 20 shades and 35 total shades for the Born This Way foundation. I'm obsessed with the Born This Way foundation. It is amazing. I will link those videos up and down below so you guys can check them out. Definitely check them out. They are worth watching. I love it. I love the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, but my top favorite is a Peach Perfect setting powder. If you guys have not tried that, definitely try it. It is amazing. The Too Faced Hangover Primer, girl, amazing. So I will be swatching all of the concealers. Finally, I'm gonna get this done for you guys. So it came in this beautiful package right here. And we will be swatching all of them. So let's get in close and let's get to swatching. Swan, super pigmented and super full coverage. Snow, Almond, Porcelain. The Dofa applicator on this, so good. Vanilla, Nude, Golden Beige, Light Beige, Natural Beige, Warm Beige, Sand, Honey, and Butterscotch, Mocha, Maple, Chestnut, Mahogany. This one's in Toffee. This one is in Cocoa. So a huge thank you to Too Faced Cosmetics. Thank you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you. The next item is from L.A. Colors, and this is the Prismatic Collection. Glitter drops to highlight face and iridescent gloss adds sparkle to lips. This is how it comes. 3 holographic iridescent lip glosses. Ooh, very, very pretty. So we have Sugared, Gold Rush, and Diamond Life. This one is Gold Rush, Diamond Light. Ooh. And this one is Sugared. That one is my favorite. Okay, the first illuminating drops that I will be trying, this one is Starlight, Stellar, and this one is Cosmic. Thank you so much to L.A. Colors. Love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is the ending of my makeup PR Box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated with my videos. Make sure to check out my previous video if you have not watched it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me know what you guys like down below so that I can get on it and record and do a video for you guys since we've swatched it together already. Thank you guys again so much. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.